All right, guys. So welcome to the live session with your host, Trade X. So as we do every weekdays, we look at what's in the markets here. So today is July 1st. So new day, new month, opportunities here. Hope everyone had a great start of the week here so far. So let's get on to it. On to it. All right, so let's start with our trajectory review. Exactly what's going on. All right, so now we are since 2 o'clock here this morning, looking at the news events here that we had a lot of folders here so far. We got one red folder here at 5. That will be the core CPI flash estimate year to year for euro, and CPI flash estimate year to year. That's at 5 o'clock. And we do have CAD bank holiday today because it's Canada Day in Canada. And we have ECB president speaking at 9:30 for euro. That will be for New York session, euro and GBP. And we have and USD. So at 9:30 this morning, later on today, we will have here at 9:30. But other than that, pretty smooth news calendar. Let's close this out and go on charts. First time being on my live, my name is Andre. They call me Julie Figures, and I'm doing live here to show you that how much the market, and also showing you my indicator here that I quoted myself as a MSCI with another indicator that is called higher level. Basically, it's giving you the support and resistance zones for the market, and also providing you with alerts here for a buy or sell setup here. So let me here level. Perfect. So let's review exactly the setup that we had here at New York. So at New York Open, I was bearish here, starting New York Open this morning. And then what happened here is that market started to retest that zone and bouncing off of it to go higher. I was expecting to do a higher low, but it went way over that. But now it's going in the direction that I was saying here. If you see in the background, I had my analysis here for the future. I was expecting to go higher and then to start to go down, but it went higher than expected, but it's all good. So that's for NASDAQ. We'll look for German. Right now, German here seems to be doing a higher low. So if we put a flip here off of that, last swing high to a swing low, I think we're already at the we're already at a level here. So if we look at it here, so that was 50, 61.8 is right here. We're touching a previous resistance here. So we may previous resistance that is considered as support already filled out that parallel gap here at the bottom. So we may have a continuation here in the upside. So that's what it's expected here. So we still have 8 minutes left before that candle close. But we'll look at other markets here. We're going to look at the US30. US30 here. Pretty sure they were doing the high of the week, but I'm still bearish here overall for the indices. Besides German is looking to go higher. Let's look at the gold. Gold is going higher here since start of the week. This is the setup of that here on Monday. Asia London session yesterday, and still going up. The DXY. DXY is trading lower here, so we're so that means that XAUUSD and G is going higher. So after that consolidation that we had, we're still pushing up here a bit more. So that's why look at that. We're doing the high of the week right now. And higher low. Right. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is at 106. We were at almost 108, 109, 108 starting of the week. It went down. XRP went up to 230. I started to retrace, so we're almost at the end of my book right here. So see exactly how it's going to go. Doing higher lows here. With a trend line here going up. And you can see visually here it's doing higher lows since the 21st of June. So perfect. Perfect. So let's look at I suppose exactly how it's going to go. We still have a few minutes left before market opens. Putting here guys into this. So we'll focus on German here for now. And see exactly if when it bounce up in an upper trend. Just gonna do if your trading account. Let's make sure that it's loaded here. Perfect. So I'll take a position here only on demo. So taking a buy, put my stop loss at this one here, and my TP, put it at the top here. All right, so this is my risk here. I'll just adjust the stop loss a little bit. So it is 3 o'clock, start at the hour. So bullish on German here. So see how it's played out. So I was expecting to have it bounce off of the 61.8. It did bounce off of this previous resistance that is definitely has support. So that's why I was bullish here overall. And the market being set up here overall was looking bullish. So it seems like it's going to push higher here, but that's what I'm expecting. But overall, I'm still bearish here on German, but I'm waiting for that retracement to be done on the upside, and then eventually to go down. So I should be doing a higher low. I think this was the higher low, and with that retracement setup here, that's what I was expecting. Right, so just got it. So 2 minutes in, market is pushing. Pushing. Right on NASDAQ here, seems like if we had the same push here, we bounce off of that level that we saw on New York. It's pushing up right now, so everything seems to be pushing in an upside right now. The session, so I'm just going to focus on the indices specifically, guys. So, so we have a swing here. If we do a swing high to a swing low, we have some play in the upside for S&P 500 and NASDAQ and all that stuff. So we're at 50% here. 6120 is right here. So we may have some leeway in the upside on the indices. Uh, so in so it's going to be that 51.8 on the Dow and on NASDAQ. So we went back to that order block resistance support zone that I marked up yesterday in New York session. So that's all that I did. So now it's going towards levels here upside. So up here, we are at 26 minutes past the hour. This more profits here. So that we're going back and forth. I didn't. I was going to close it near that level, but it's all good. But went to that 50%, and now it's retracing a little bit. So expecting to go short here. Eventually, here on German. So perfect. So small scalp here on that demo account. So I'm expecting to go long here at the start of Asian London session. Almost went to that 50%. Closing in profit here. May start to continue going up, but I'm expecting to have it going down because it went to take some liquidity at the top here after that big push up that we had here at Asian. So it just take out the Asian highs here with that wick. All right, so make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Doing those lives here each and every day, London and New York. We do have a New York session later on. We're only here like for maybe 15, 30 minutes, 45 minutes max. So that when we do the analysis here and take a position in that direction that we want. So overall, we were bullish here at the start of the London session for German and all the indices here overall. You can see that's what I was expecting. US30 went to that 61.8 and started to retrace, so that's perfect. So I did put my fib here before market open. So swing high to swing low, retracement 61.8. So that's why I was bullish here on US30. So the Dow, same thing for NASDAQ, going up. Didn't quite make it to that 50% retracement, but still bullish here and thinking for 500. We're bullish here. Almost went to that 61.8. I went to 50% in 61.8, so that's perfect. So let's go back here. So we still have less than 5 minutes before that candle closed on 50 minutes. Remember, guys, I'm already out of the market right now, so took that buy candle here, close it around the middle here when it retraced, because I was going back and forth. I was not able to close it out at the top where I was expecting to have it go through. So, but overall, I'm still bearish here on in the market this week for the indices specifically. So, and gold is still going up here since Monday. Right, you can see market is currently pushing down here. That's what I would have expected. So overall, at the start of the market open, we're bullish, but overall bearish here. That's like I said, guys. So now it's going down. All right. So candle open. All right. So with so got a EMX AI signal here for sell. those are the levels here for the range. But make sure to look at the previous levels here to take your take profit here. So we do have a level right here. So I'll put a horizontal line so y'all can see the actual price. And we have another one right here. Let's see, we didn't have anything in the middle because we're in price discovery right now. So that's why there's no other levels in the left side other than those two. So those are the two levels here of interest. So I'm still expecting to have it going bearish here further. We have a lot of leeway here in the downside. That is specifically for German. We'll see how it goes. All right. So it's still bearish here. Still bearish here, guys. So we still have leeway in the downside. So it had a significant sell on German. All right, wait it out, see how it goes. All right, so we still have 7 minutes left before the next candle. All right, so still have 6 minutes left. So still bearish here overall. So as you can see, market status bearish right now. So and you have the TP zones here. See the prices of the TPs based off of that setup. right. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe. Those lives here each and every day. We have gonna have a new session two later on. But overall, we were bullish here at the start of the market open. We were looking at the price to push up, but overall bearish for the setup. And we entered for a long at the start, and now we got a signal for sell off of EMXAI. So you saw that live. So currently we're bearish here. All right, so still have less than 2 minutes left before the next candle. All right, so still a few minutes left here, less than a minute for the next candle. Push here, downside. Right. Candle came in. right, so still bearish, guys, off of that move. Still bearish here. To look at others. Just gonna look at the UK 100, see exactly what happened there. So UK 100 was still, it was pushing. Gold is still going up here, and the XY is going down here still. Right. So we are pushing here on German. That's what we want to see. So like I said, it's still going down, still bearish here overall. We had a signal here at 315 for sell. We're in that buy before at market open, or buy because we're waiting for retracement half of that 61.8 or 50%, and that's exactly what we had. And now market is on German specifically is tanking right now, so that's what we want to see. right? So currently we are at this level here. That was the first level of interest. Now I'm trying to see exactly if it's going to push a little bit further here. We still have 7 minutes left before that candle close. So should be pushing a little bit more on the downside. Right. So still have less than 5 minutes left before our session is done. But pretty simple. So once again, we had a buy here at the start of the market open for GER40, and then but I was overall bearish here on German based off of the move that we had earlier. So and we did have a bearish market status here on MXAI. So at 315 we had the sell that was confirmed. So should be well in profit here off of those two calls that we did. All right, so less than 2 minutes left. So you guys will still be looking for bearish movements here on German. So should be going down for a while. Perfect, guys. So seems to be continuing going down. We just passed our level here that was plotted here. I'm just gonna make sure that I put it in the right place. There you go. So that was the actual level that we were looking for. So expecting to go shorter and go lower than that. So we have the other level here. Oops, we have the other level here at the bottom here. So we'll see exactly if it wants to go towards that. Make sure to monitor that and see exactly how it goes. All right, guys. So we're gonna close it out here. So thanks so much for being on this live. Once again, we have the setup here. So we're buy at the start of London session for German 40, expecting to go to 61.8 or to the previous resistance. It almost went there, closed the trade in profit, and we have to sell up afterward. We're overall bearish here on the German overall, and at 315 we did get a sell setup signal that is currently playing out. So that's perfect. All right. So thanks for being this live here, guys. So we'll be back here at the New York session here. So at 9 a.m. we'll do another live here for the analysis here for indices specifically. If you have any questions, make sure to put it in the comment section of this live replay if you're not on the live right now. And yeah, and we'll be back here today, later on today for